Okay, everybody, I want to show you how you use this 90-day business plan in Notion. So in order to schedule your work out in a super easy way, go to the link I provided. Make sure you hit this duplicate button here. When you hit this duplicate button, this plan will turn out to look like this. That will allow you to actually edit it. So make sure you duplicate it. Now, how this works is that in each quarter, you want to plan your time out by quarters. So you have quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, quarter four. So under quarter one, you might put your new idea. Okay, and then when you click on it to open it, you can then schedule, okay, this is where you want to have this idea due. I would recommend that you select also business or pleasure, meaning it's really valuable to map out pleasure and fun, as this is also helping your creative brain. So we want to map out what you're doing for business, but we also want to think about what is your 90-day plan for pleasure. You can then basically add in additional steps. So I can say, oh, I need step 1. Right, so you can add in additional steps too. If I click in here, I can say rename to step 2. So you can add in steps for completion. You can hit duplicate property. If you need additional steps, see how these additional steps showed up? I can click and drag them, and that way you can stay really organized. Now, if you come down to your calendar, if I go back to November, I can see that my ideas are scheduled here because I schedule them. Then you can come and every day know what you have to do. Look at your workload quarter by quarter like this to make sure every quarter looks even for you, and you can plan your life this way using Notion. So that's how you use this 90-day roadmap using Notion for your dream plan to reach both your business and your pleasure goals.